May the force be with you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a try on, and a review on the ColourPop Cosmetics Star Wars eyeshadow palette. With that being said, let's get started. This is the front of the palette. Isn't this cute? This is awesome. I really like how they put it. This is the back, and of course it says Disney at the bottom, StarWars.com, and then Star Wars Pressed Powder Palette, and it has all the eyeshadow names here. Ooh, I like that you can feel like the circle stuff. It says ColourPop and then cruelty free, not intended for use in the immediate eye area, and then distributed by ColourPop Cosmetics, Oxnard, California. My hometown, Oxnard! Hi, if anybody's watching from Oxnard. So in total, there are 15 eyeshadows, and it is Rebel Princess, Starfighter, Hyperdrive, Loyalty, Outer Rim, Jedi Knight, Kessel Run, New Hope, Galactic Empire, Alliance, Space Pirate, Rebellion, First Mate, Republic, and Star Destroyer. A little bit up so you can touch the eyeshadow names and also the Star Wars one. Like all of this. This is so pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. This is cute. It's on the inside too. Ooh, can you guys see the colors on the Star Wars? Let's see if it focuses. There we go. Look at the colors on the Star Wars. That's pretty. Look at the front. I like the feeling of it too. Okay. Huh. It seems that it has like a little magnetic closure, and I like that on eyeshadow palettes. It does not have a mirror, but it does have a protective film. Okay, so this is it. It does not have a mirror. It just has Star Wars again in the inside with all of them in here. And then a protective film. R2-D2. I really like R2-D2. My favorite. Too much Star Wars. Let's get back this in. Look at these colors, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. Whoa, look at the fallout, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm going to try and do one with the light side, one with the dark side, so we'll see how it ends up. This is the final look. What do you guys think? So I wanted to do a light side and a dark side to kind of get a feel of this palette, and this is what I came up with. So I did use almost all of the palette, and I actually wanted to use the Hyperdrive right now with you guys, as in a little bit of just highlighter. Look at that. So I did the light side. This is the light side. And then I did the dark side, which is this one. Final rating. Out of 5, I give this palette a 5. I really like the color. I really like the packaging of this. I like the feel to it. It's not too heavy either. And I like that it has a magnetic closure. The one thing I would have liked for it is to have a mirror here instead of this. I do have to say that the Rebel Princess and Outer Rim are very creamy. Like a mixture of kind of like, how can I explain it? A little bit like a cream eyeshadow and a regular eyeshadow. It's a mixture of it in there, but it's not too gel-like. It's nice. And it also feels very buttery, like super buttery. It comes out really pretty, and I used it a little bit as a highlighter, so I really like the Rebel Princess. And also for a way for these eyeshadows not to move a lot, especially when I'm swatching them or applying them. They move a lot, like rotating, but it doesn't matter to me because they swatch like they look here. And it was very nice, very pretty. I really like these colors. And yes, you can build the intensity by building them up. I really like that it also has the names in the front as well as in the back. So Loyalty, Republic, and Star Destroyer have a lot of fallout, a little bit more than regular eyeshadows. And if you know eyeshadows, all eyeshadows, drugstore to high-end, all have fallout. So it's totally normal, so I don't mind that. I'm just letting you guys know. So would I use this palette again? Yes, I would, and yes, I am. Would I recommend this palette? Yes, I would. Of course, guys, this is my opinion. If you guys have the funds, the means, your time to go find it and purchase it, go for it. If you don't, there's more makeup that you guys can get. Don't worry about that. So again, this is my opinion, just letting you guys know my little 2 cents. And if you guys want to take it, go ahead and take it. And if you don't, well, just thank you for watching this video. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and it's free to help me and support me. And if you have, thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys. May the force be with you.